Looking for the gadgets for your requirement? Hey! It's Brian here and welcome back to the Tech Port. I'm your host. What we take a look at this channel, the cool gadgets, machines, new technologies, cool manufacturing processes. In this video, we will be taking a look at the top 6 useful gadgets you should see. Like always, we're trying to include products that could work for someone in a strict budget and all the way up to professional grade products. So whether you're looking for something cheap, or expensive, or something professional grade, we'll have an option for you in this list. So if you want to find out about top 6 useful gadgets you should see, be sure to stay tuned. Just want to mention, all of the links to all of the products that mention on this video will be in the description down below. Be sure to check those products. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification to stay up to date with new gadgets, as well as the latest technologies, and latest machines, and cool manufacturing processes. And give a thumbs up if you think the video is great, that will help us to grow from scratch to a bigger channel. And also don't forget to leave your ideas in the comments section. Your feedback will give us huge support to the growth of this channel. Be a part of this unstoppable journey. Let's get into the video. Carry Speed Pro Mark IV, the most comfortable and user-friendly shoulder pad available in today's market. Oversized padded neoprene material and closed cell foam shoulder pad reduce stress to shoulders, designed to meet the durability, all-day comfort and safety requirements. Adjustable underarm stabilizer strap ensures a secure and comfortable grip with your strap system, and also this includes nylon webbing elastic for easy and quick access to adjust your strap length. This new modular design crafted with die-cast metal and stainless steel, and also horizontal and vertical adjustment. All metal archetype quick-release mounting plate, the adjustable design fits most DSLR or mirrorless camera. Tripods are critical for many photographers, so creators didn't leave them as an afterthought. The Arca mount integrates high-precision quick-release plates directly into the mounting system. Here are some features of this product. Patented ball head connector. Vertical grip friendly. Multiple tripod mounts. Arca Swiss tripod ready. Designed for DSLRs or mirrorless cameras. Works with zoom lenses and battery grips. Original offset hanging design. Speed cinch front quick adjustment. Front cinch lock system. Tripod mount friendly, Arca Swiss ready. Max load, 5 kilograms, connection point, universal 1/4, 20 tripod thumb screw. Immortal shoes by Fersin. The shoes that don't sacrifice comfort, style, and protection are finally here. Shoes that provide an all-in-one solution to your everyday work shoe needs. No more bulky and heavy work shoes that get in the way of your day-to-day work. With Immortal shoes, you can expect premium footwear technology that sufficiently provides long-lasting protection without the added unnecessary weight. Built with high-class military Kevlar, a tough and lightweight material to ensure quick and agile movements. Made from heavy-duty steel to fully protect your toes against impact and falling objects without compromising style. Puncture-resistant military-grade material, as the sole of the shoes makes it a safe companion in the workspace against work hazards. The sole material is also great for preventing skidding and protection from slippery surfaces. Padded midsole allows for advanced cushioning and wider toe box for all-day comfort and stands day-to-day usage. Uniquely installed no-tie shoelaces saves time and provides the perfect amount of tightness to your foot for a custom fit and convenience of day-to-day usage. The flexible and malleable substance helps distribute body weight evenly and provides as much agility as possible. Enhanced interior design for supreme comfort for all foot sizes. It doesn't matter what movement the work demands, the Immortal will get it done. Extremely light material due to the non-use of unnecessary bulky material and even weight distribution. Less than 1 pound build prevents your feet from getting tired after long work shifts. We understand that standing all day in uncomfortable and heavy work shoes can cause fatigue and feet pains. Caesar Aura Scanner. Caesar is the world's first true smart scanner. And it's also the fastest scanner in the world. It can scan books easily, connect to Wi-Fi, and serve as a video projector also. It also can be used in your home and office. This is equipped with 16 million pixels and creative algorithms. Caesar can make scanning books as easy as turning pages. The most difficult problems of including the flattening curve, erasing fingerprints, and smart edge cutting have been solved. Caesar is the highest cost performance book scanner in the world. Through powerful image processing and computing abilities, Caesar creators have increased the scanning speed about 20 times faster when compared to the traditional scanner. Using Caesar, you can scan everything in the office, including files, contracts, vouchers, etc. Caesar can help build your private digital library easily and quickly. There is no need to install drivers or software when using Caesar Cloud. Your sketches, paintings, and notes can be scanned and stored in the Caesar Cloud, allowing you to directly access files on your laptop, iPad, or smartphone. Caesar is also a video presenter. By connecting to the screen through HDMI, materials can be presented with 1080p. It greatly lowers the cost and increases the efficiency of meetings. Anti-Theft Workstation Backpack. The Moose Designs Backpack is a professionally made, stylish, versatile, rugged and innovatively designed bag for everyone. The back part of the backpack takes the features of private workstation mode. Sturdy and strong flaps fold out to create the ultimate on-the-go laptop station, a private workspace anywhere with over 15 dedicated pockets, elastic straps in and out, touch-screen phone pocket, built-in USB port, extendable and protected laptop sleeve, water-resistant zippers and cut-resistant fabrics. The list goes on with its functionalities. Also, this bag turns heads every time, so get ready to answer curious questions wherever you set it up. You can use your laptop on the Moose Workstation bag without unfolding the side walls. When you need the side walls in a limited space on the go, simply unfold and snap the side walls so that keeps the bag on its position to create your own workspace anywhere. The Moose Backpack provides instant access from all sides. When you need to reach your stuff fast, you don't have to unzip the bag all the way. Quick access design allows you to reach your laptop on the back side and books on the front side in seconds. A retractable key fob is included in Moose Backpack, that is attached to the bag, meaning you don't have to hunt for your keys. The large front pocket on the backpack is one of the most practical features of the backpack. The pocket is large enough to carry even large books or enough clothes for weekend trips, and because it opens fully, you do not have to hunt in the pocket to find things. The inside of the bag has been designed to carry as much as you could possibly need in easy-to-access pockets. Special pockets for documents and passports have been built in, again with super easy access. Every pocket has been designed and positioned with your convenience and ease of access in mind, keeping you clutter-free on the move. Inside the large front compartment is a handy hold-all that can be used to carry sunglasses, tech items, or act as a very stylish pencil case or toiletry bag. The pouch has 3 different water-resistant compartments that attach inside the bag with strong Velcro. Innovative extension system inside the main compartment helps you pack even more. The Moose Backpack sat-on camera cube keeps your equipment safe. For extra durability, we inserted double foam side walls which are shock resistant and a PP protection board inside the camera cube. Because the backpack has been built around travelers, its size is made to measure for airline personal item bag size. This means you can always carry everything with you and your portable workspace goes with you. The Moose bag makes a great carry-on bag for short trips. It looks slim but fits a lot of items. One of the unique features of the Moose Designs backpack is the secret sleeve on the back of the bag. This sleeve opens up on both sides and slides over the handle of wheeled suitcases and sits snugly and safely on top to create an easy way to transport what would otherwise be 2 bags. For style, convenience and functionality, the strong straps are hidden away in another secret pocket from which the sleeves are easily pulled out and put back. Carrying the Moose Designs backpack in any situation has never been easier. The design makes it easy to go from briefcase to backpack and back again with elegant ease. The straps of the backpack have been ergonomically designed for ease and comfort of transport. Whether you are walking, scooting or riding, the adjustable straps make carrying the backpack a pleasure, knowing you and your baggage are safe and secure. Pocket tripod. A camera's most essential accessory is its tripod. The design of a tripod has not changed since the early 1800s when photography was first invented. If our primary cameras are slim enough to be discreetly carried with us every day, why should our tripods be any different? This pocket tripod compatible with phones that are in a case because removing the case would take too much time and just isn't convenient. So creators decided to make the pocket tripod universal. Instead of having it made specific to any iPhone, they changed its design to take any device that matches its opening size. Each pocket tripod size has a wider opening than the next by an increment of 0.5 millimeter. Fine enough to coincide with the thickness of almost any device on the market and any case. 3 sizes of the universal pocket tripods have already been produced and have been user tested for more than a year. With the new universal pocket tripod, creators of this gadget set out to create one of the most practical smartphone tripods without compromising the safety of your device. No matter where you are, capturing that perfect time-lapse with your iPhone or Android has never been easier. Creators spent a few months working with some of the top case manufacturers to test the pocket tripod and make sure it's compatible with their most popular cases. We've been able to catalog the compatibility of many of the most popular cases on the market. Here are some key features of this product. The same size as 2x stacked credit card. Precise and smooth angle adjustment. Hold device in portrait and landscape. Separates for an unobstructed view of the screen. The result is a robust tripod for your iPhone that's perfect for long exposure and time-lapse photography. But also, a great stand for your iPhone on the go for watching movies without obstructing the screen, all while keeping your device safe from accidental spills. Never again be left without a stable platform for your iPhone or Android. Whether it's to capture breathtaking time-lapse videos and light paintings, making video calls, or just to watch movies on the Blend Jet. Imagine the freedom of being able to go anywhere and blend your favorite smoothies, shakes, margaritas, or baby food without the limitations of a regular blender. Now, You'll experience the freshest, most amazing flavors everywhere you go, because you're living in the future with a BlendJet portable and USB rechargeable blender. After blending 8 to 12 beverages on a single charge, simply plug into any USB port or charger to recharge in no time. The BlendJet 1 is the world's most powerful portable blender. With BlendJet and its 6 stainless steel blades, you're not sacrificing power for convenience. The BlendJet is so powerful it can even crush ice. Plus, your BlendJet will practically clean itself. Imagine never having to clean your blender again. Just add water and an optional drop of soap, and run your BlendJet until it's clean.